Tired of that overflowing inventory and those chipped swords? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of the Grindstone in Minecraft, a block that will become your best friend for repairing, disenchanting, and optimizing your gear. First, let's craft one. You'll need 2 sticks, 1 stone slab, and 2 wooden planks. Place the stone slab in the top center slot of your crafting table, the 2 sticks on either side, and then the planks in the bottom left and right corners. Voila, a grindstone. Now, place that bad boy down wherever you like to repair an item. Simply interact with the grindstone. Place the damaged tool or weapon you want to repair in one of the top slots. If you place another damaged item of the same type in the other slot, the grindstone will combine them into one repaired item with increased durability. Keep in mind you will gain a small experience boost. Want to get rid of those pesky enchantments? The grindstone is your answer. Place the enchanted item in one of the top slots. The enchantment will be removed, giving you a small amount of experience. The other slot can be left empty, or you can place a second item to get a repaired and enchanted item. And that's it. The grindstone is an absolute essential for managing your inventory and keeping your tools and weapons in tip-top shape. Experiment with it, and get ready to say goodbye to cluttered inventories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.